This is a 2011 BMW 328. It features a 3.0-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, adaptive brake lights, alloy wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a low tire pressure indicator, dual power seats, cruise control, wood trim interior accents, BMW individual composition, a passenger side airbag, rear seat child-proof door locks, a service level indicator, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and this vehicle has fewer than 46,000 miles on the odometer. With an EPA estimated rating of 28 miles per gallon on the highway, it's easy to see how you can save. Contact us today to schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.
Volvo Center is located at 1326 Northeast Loop 410 in San Antonio. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.